Okay, so in this quick video we're going to have a look at opening the tailgate on this E61 5 Series. We've got an issue with the wiring in the hinges. Here's a common problem. Go and check out my video on the repair on that too. There are a couple of ways you can do this. One of them is by coding the remote so it opens the glass rather than the tailgate. However, that's not going to work for us because we've lost the actual power supply for the latch as well, so it's still not going to work. So there's a manual operation and we'll have a look how we get it done. So if you pull this trim down a bit, you can very carefully pull the trim over the catch there. It's quite tight. It wasn't fun, because without doing that you've only got a very tight space there to get to the hole. So I managed to get the tailgate open. It was really tight, it wasn't really worth filming it, but now I can show you exactly what we had to do to get it. And so here's the tailgate, and you'll be looking in from this side, and you've got the silver bolt there that we could just about see. So I'd probably say that this snap-on hook tool, seal tool, is probably the best for the job if you can get in. So we get in there and there we go. We're open.